But simply being you as a whole, you're going to make mistakes. You're going to not be rolling around in that full 100% character. And I think every day you've got to say to yourself, from when you're off that character, realise this is what you want to be like, or this is not what you want to be doing. This ain't the character, you, the purpose, your value as a whole, that true character that holds the real value is not what you want. You know? Bear with me for a couple of minutes. It's hot in this room. Can't have windows open. Too much audio comes through. That door ain't getting open because you got the fam in the house. They're fucking loud. And, you know, like my character this week, the goals: sit, read, learn. I'm in some jib attire, top's over there, but it's better fucking hot. You know, I'm pursuing, preempting, pre-deciding that me as a person, my goals, my emphasis, this coming week, hopefully the coming month, hopefully the rest of the goddamn year, because I don't want to be doing what we've done, is going forward and just absolutely being the truest, most valuable version of me that I can.